Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with that new but for real guys, I just received my Violet Voss package because I pre-ordered the Flamingo palette, just the eyeshadow palette. I did not get the face palette because it was, it didn't look like it would go with my skin tone or whatnot. But I did get the eyeshadow palette and I am so excited to share it with you guys. It came in a box. The eyeshadow comes in this, outer exterior box to keep it protected, and it comes inside of this. Here is the palette, and it says Flamingo eyeshadow palette Violet Voss. And by the colors and it saying Violet Voss here, you should be able to identify what palette it is if you store your eyeshadow palettes. So like I said, it was either $42 or $44, and it's a ton of discount codes by different influencers that you can use to get it. It comes out in July, so like I said, I pre-ordered it, so it hasn't officially come out yet, but it is to come in July. Yes, so let me open it. This has an extremely huge mirror. Like your whole face can fit in this mirror, and that is perfect because this is marketed as a summer like travel beach palette, and this can definitely work for that because when you're in a hotel or you're on the go, this mirror is big enough for you to complete a whole face if you wanted to. Now it is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 eyeshadows. And here are the shadows. They are absolutely stunning. I love how each color corresponds well with the one next to it. So you can use like this shade together. It gives you a story without you having to put it together. Like you don't open this palette, look at it and be like, gosh, I don't know what to do, because there are blocks. Like you could use these for, like, you know what I'm saying? You could use these for at the bottom. And yeah, it has a bunch of transition colors, and it has a deep black for my girls who love to add that smoky eye. Even if, that's not necessarily super beachy, it gives you something to work with if you like smoky eyes. Now I'm going to show you all some swatches because I know that's what you are here to see. So let's get into that. Here's Flamingos, Donut, Flip Flop, which that gave me a bad swatch, but I'll try it again. It's a light color, so Bikini, which is a very pretty purple color, and that's the first row. Next we have Oceanfront, Tidal Wave. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Beach Ball, which I use. This swatch can be deceiving because I used this and it worked flawlessly, but the swatch is not that amazing. And then Watermelon. And I'll add some more so you can see. It's a very pretty pinky reddish color. It's so gorgeous. I honestly don't think the swatches are doing the palette justice, because if you can see my eye, you can tell that it's very gorgeous on the eye. So the next I'm going in with Lemonade, Pineapple. That's gorgeous. The shimmers are, oh my god. Popsicle, which is an orange, and it's just acting kind of funny because I'm dark skin problems, but the swatch is not all that amazing. And Sunbathe. The mattes are not swatching well. Surf, which I have on my eyes, and y'all, Coral, which is a matte. Island, Oh, that is amazing. Ah, that's amazing. And sand, which is like a nude color, which I probably won't use, but hey, it's there. Seashell, pinwheel, it's a bright pink. Sandals, after the resorts, probably. It's probably named after the sandals resorts. Or just flip-flops, probably, I don't know. And here's the matte black. I will say that the mattes definitely did not swatch well, but I can tell you that from using it, they did perform well. So do not be scared by those swatches. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this look that I created. Okay, so let's get started with this palette. Now, my base is looking a little questionable right now because I tried a new primer and let's just say I don't like it, but video coming soon on that primer. I'm not going to talk about it today, but yeah, it's a mess. I'm going to start out with the color Popsicle, which is that orange color right there. Okay. I'm loving this mirror already. Oh yes. I thought this was going to be a darker orange, but this right here is my swag. I'm just kidding. This right here is the perfect color orange. It's not like too deep and it's not too pastel-y. So it's going to create the perfect transition. So now that I'm through with creating that transition color, I'm going to go ahead and take a small blending brush and I'm going to dip into Oceanfront, which is this blue color right here. The orange that I used was Sunbathe on top of Popsicle, but I'm going to use this blue color and see how that holds up on darker skin. So far so good though. The mattes are definitely blendable, easy to work with, so should have no problems there. I'm going to go ahead and dip into Oceanfront. And I'm nervous. Oh, it's pretty though. It's very light. I don't know if you just watched that. It's very light. Yeah, I just wanted to see what that color was gonna do. Since I got a feel of how it looks, I'm gonna go ahead and take Beach Ball, which is a little bit darker, well, a lot darker, and I'm gonna put that on the crease instead. That will be a perfect like soft lid color or a under eye waterline color, but not for this look. So I'm just taking Beach Ball in the crease. I'm not going to take it up too high. It's a pretty color. I don't want this to be a super dark look though, so I'm just going to keep it in the crease and on the outer corner of the eye as well. If you're one of those people who are like not into kickback at all, then this will be perfect for you. Tidal Wave is so cute, but I think I'm going to use Surf just because it is supposed to be kind of soft and beachy. At least that's what I was going for in the beginning. But I don't know. Ooh! This is so pretty. It's got like some gold flecks in it. So that's without any type of Fix Plus, but now I'm bringing out Fix Plus. I'm going to spray it and see if I can get this a little bit more pigmented, even though it definitely doesn't need it. Oh, But when you do, ooh, y'all, it's over with. I mean, it's foolproof. Like, I could have messed this up 1,000 times just because I'm mixing some funny colors together. I could have messed this up 1,000 times, but it's foolproof. So sticking with this region of the palette, I'm going to go in with Lemonade and go on my under eye with it. I'm going to take a small flat shadow brush like this, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so the yellow is on, and I'm going to take Pineapple, which I love that name. I mean, it's so basic, but I love pineapples. So I'm going to go with Pineapples in my inner corner, teared up. You know what? I was going to add some Fix Plus, but then that might be doing the most. Nah, I'm going to add some Fix Plus just because I want this to pop. So Fix Plus it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm back and I've added lashes, mascara. I added some e.l.f. eyeliner, just a little line, and some 24/7 Glide On Midnight Cowboy to the waterline. And yeah, here's the eye look. I really like this palette. I'm most definitely giving it 5 stars and recommending it to anybody who can get their hands on it. It is $42, like I said earlier. It's just amazing. I mean, look at this, y'all. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. I feel like anybody can use this palette, beginners, advanced, intermediate level, because these eyeshadows blend gorgeously. There's a lot to choose from. There's transition colors. There's bright colors. There's, I don't want to be too bold. I can use this flip-flop color, which is like a light pink. It's just so much you can do with this palette. The eyeshadows are very creamy, easy to work with. Mirror is huge. Flamingo palette is a go. I would definitely run out as quick as I can and get this palette. Thanks guys for watching my first impression / review of the new Violet Voss Flamingo palette. If you want to see more looks with this palette, I can definitely do a 3 looks 1 palette with this. So leave your comments down below if you want to see that. Make sure you like this video if you like the look that I created, if you think it's shapoppin'. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you next video.